Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to remove PMI on Wells Fargo. And it's really easy and simple. So PMI, basically what it means is that it is a private mortgage insurance. So you can remove this from a Wells Fargo loan where you can basically request your lender to do so if you meet certain conditions. So if you have at least 20% equity in your home, this is the difference between the market value of your home and what you owe on your mortgage. Okay? And also payment history. So you need to have a good payment history. Your loan to value ratio, your loan to original value, which is the LTOV loan, should be below 80%. Okay? And other factors they also maybe consider, for example, the type of property. What is the type of property? What is the currency of the loan? And an automated, valuation model. And to do this, to remove this PMI, to remove this private mortgage insurance, really easy and simple. Once you reach those thresholds, come here and you want to talk to a mortgage consultant. You want to call them on this number. So 1-877-510-2079. This is their number, and their hours are Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. Okay, really easy and simple. You just have to contact them, let them know you meet three thresholds right now, and they will go ahead and remove it for you. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.